Testosterone isn't just the hormone behind facial hair and deep voices. It plays a vital role in energy, mood, strength, libido, mental clarity, fat metabolism, and overall well-being. As men age, testosterone levels naturally decline. But for some, that decline becomes clinically significant. And that's where testosterone replacement therapy, or TRT, comes in. So how does TRT actually work? Is it safe? And who's really a candidate? I'm Dr. M, your men's health and sexual medicine physician. And in this video, we're breaking down the science behind TRT so you can make informed decisions about your health. Let's get into it. 1. What is testosterone replacement therapy, or TRT? TRT is a medical treatment that restores testosterone levels in men with clinically low testosterone, also known as hypogonadism. It may be caused by aging, pituitary dysfunction, testicular injury or disease, chronic illness, or unknown factors, sometimes referred to as idiopathic hypogonadism. TRT is available in multiple forms, like injections given weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, topical gels and creams applied to the skin daily, transdermal patches delivering testosterone steadily through the skin, pellets implanted under the skin for long-acting release, and oral tablets, a newer option, though less commonly used due to potential liver strain. Each delivery method has its pros and cons, and the right option depends on your goals, preferences, and lifestyle. 2. How does TRT work in the body? Testosterone is a steroid hormone that regulates multiple systems, like muscle and fat composition. It promotes lean muscle mass, supports strength, and helps reduce visceral fat. Energy and mood. Men with low testosterone often experience fatigue, depression, and irritability. TRT can restore vitality and emotional balance. Sexual function. It supports libido and erectile strength. Many men report improved performance and desire after starting therapy. Bone health. Low T is linked to reduced bone density. TRT helps protect against osteoporosis and fracture risk. Cognitive focus. Testosterone also supports executive function and memory, especially in aging men. A study published in JAMA found that TRT significantly improved energy, sexual function, and mood in older men, backing up what many patients experience firsthand. If you're still watching and you're finding this helpful, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. It really helps me keep making more videos like this. Okay, back to the video. 3. Who actually needs TRT? TRT isn't for everyone. It's typically recommended for men who meet these key criteria. Criteria 1. Clinically low testosterone on blood work. This usually means total testosterone below 300 nanograms per deciliter, tested early in the morning and confirmed on 2 separate occasions. But it's not a hard cutoff. We also assess free testosterone, SHBG, or sex hormone binding globulin, and most importantly, your symptoms. Some men with borderline levels in the 300 to 400 range may still be appropriate candidates, especially if their free testosterone is low or symptoms are severe. Criteria 2. Persistent symptoms such as chronic fatigue, low libido or erectile dysfunction, unexplained weight gain or muscle loss, and mood swings, anxiety, or brain fog. In other words, it's not just about the lab number, it's about the full clinical picture. 4. Benefits and risks of TRT. Benefits of TRT can include increased energy and stamina, stronger libido and improved erectile performance, sharper mental clarity, improved muscle-to-fat ratio, and healthier bones and improved bone density. Possible risks include increased red blood cell count, which may raise the risk of blood clots if not monitored. Sleep apnea. TRT can worsen pre-existing apnea in some men. Fertility suppression. TRT suppresses your body's own testosterone production, which may reduce sperm count and testicular size. And injection site irritation or skin reaction, depending on delivery method. As for heart health concerns, let's clear this up. In the past, some studies suggested TRT might increase cardiovascular risk, but those were limited or outdated. A large 2023 clinical trial showed that TRT does not increase heart attack or stroke risk in men who are properly diagnosed and monitored. In fact, for men with low testosterone, TRT may improve heart health by lowering insulin resistance, improving lipid profiles, and supporting better blood pressure control. That said, unsupervised or black market TRT, especially when abused, can increase risk due to improper dosing or lack of monitoring. Medical supervision is critical. 5. How to start TRT safely. Here's how to get started the right way. 1. Get tested. Morning testosterone levels plus free testosterone, SHBG, and possibly LH, FSH, and estradiol. 2. Work with a specialist. See a men's health specialist or an endocrinologist, not just any provider. 3. Choose your method. Injections, gel, or pellets. Each option has different pros and cons. 4. Monitor and adjust regular labs every 3 to 6 months to track levels, red blood cells, PSA, and liver health. In conclusion, yes, TRT can be life-changing when it's used correctly, for the right reasons, and with the right support. But it's not a shortcut or a cure-all. It works best when paired with quality sleep, strength training, proper nutrition, and stress management. In other words, a full lifestyle approach. If this video helped clarify things for you, hit that subscribe button for more evidence-based men's health insights. And if you've started TRT or have questions about it, drop a comment below. I'm Dr. M, and I'll see you in the next video.